Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan minivan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the headlight switch. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Now this is really easy to do, and you don't need any tools, so don't try to use like a flat screwdriver to pry it out, because you'll just do damage to the switch or to the dashboard. Now all you have to do, you want to press this middle piece inside like this and turn it to the right side while pressed, just like that, and then pull the complete switch assembly out, and that's it. Okay, once you have the headlight switch out, all you have to do, you just have to disconnect it. To do that, you will have like a small black clip just here on top, which you have to press and pull the wires out. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand here. Okay, but here we go. And that's it, so no tools necessary. And one more time I will show you that small clip which you have to press. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.